Every great fortune starts with a simple idea, but bridging the gap between a fleeting thought and a massive, profitable enterprise requires a strict sequence of 9 steps. Richard Harpin outlines this methodology in his book, How to Make a Billion in 9 Steps. He argues that reaching this level of success requires you to look for solutions that scale and to stay resilient when the odds are stacked against you. Before we go any further, grab a pen and a blank piece of paper. Draw a 3x3 grid with 9 empty boxes. Filling these boxes today will lock your dreams into a concrete document, your billion-dollar blueprint canvas. Let's begin phase 1 with the top left box. Forget the myth of sudden genius. Look for everyday annoyances. Your first action step, write down one frustration you can solve better than anyone else. Stuck? Write down a placeholder like slow morning coffee. Move to the second box. The difference between millionaires and billionaires is vision. Design your solution for massive scale from day 1. Your second action step, write down exactly how you will take the solution from box 1 and multiply it to reach the masses. Over to the third box. Setbacks are guaranteed. Billion-dollar builders don't avoid failure. They bounce back faster when they hear no. Your third action step, write down the most likely reason someone will reject your idea, followed by a 1-sentence pivot strategy. These first 3 boxes establish the specific parameters of your enterprise. You've identified a real problem, defined a path to reach millions, and planned for the inevitable rejections that stop most founders. Moving down to the middle row, phase 2. The hard rule is that no one builds a massive company alone. For box 4, list 2 specific roles or types of mentors you need to hire who possess skills far greater than your own. Now, the dead center of your canvas. The reality is that your customers own your business through their loyalty and trust. Your action step here, write down one specific way to deliver value so profound that your customer cannot imagine life without your product. Move to the right. Stagnation kills companies. Avoid blind gambling and take bold, calculated risks. For box 6, define your absolute worst-case scenario. Assess your mindset. Are you holding back out of fear of losing, or actually afraid of winning big? This middle row functions as your operational engine. With a team identified, a value proposition set, and a risk assessment complete, the venture moves out of the realm of theory and into a state of readiness. Down to the final row, phase 3. Never fall in love with your first idea. Constant innovation is required to survive. Action step 7. Identify how your product could become obsolete and write a strategy to disrupt your business before competitors do. Over to the middle. Amateurs chase quick wins, but billionaires play the long game. You have to think in decades, not days. For box 8, look past your initial launch and write down a concrete 20-year goal for this enterprise. Finally, the last box. It seems counterintuitive, but hoarding wealth limits your growth. Giving back amplifies impact and creates opportunities. Your final action step? Decide your legacy now by writing down exactly how your success will positively touch the lives of others. These final entries determine the longevity of the project. A business that plans for self-disruption and long-term impact is less likely to vanish when market conditions change. Look down at your piece of paper. You have successfully mapped out all 9 steps. This document now serves as a literal bridge. It connects your current resources to your 20-year goal, forcing you to navigate the specific milestones of scale and innovation required to build a lasting institution. Harpin leaves us with one lingering question. Years from today, will you look back and say you only thought about this idea, or will you say you actually built it? Take a photo of your finished canvas right now and pin it above your workspace. Then commit in the comments below. Which of these 9 steps are you executing today?